Hi everybody, I'm Edo from Pelty, and as promised I'm here to give you a quick update on the project. We have some good news for you. First of all, as you can see, Pelty has a new sexy design, which also makes it work much better, so jackpot for us. Second, we were successful during the TV show Shark Tank here in Italy. You can find the link of the video on our Facebook page if you want. So there is still some work to do, but we are getting closer to the launch of Pelty on the market. So please stay with us, follow us on Facebook during the summer, and we will let you know as soon as you can pre-order it on our webpage. Thank you, bye bye, ciao.